Introducing Threads, Meta's new text-based conversation app. Meta's Threads is the new app from Instagram's parent company that aims to rival Twitter. Threads is a platform that allows you to publish short posts or updates up to 500 characters. You can include links, photos, or videos up to 5 minutes long. It's linked to your Instagram account, making it easy to share posts on other platforms. To join Threads, sign in with your Instagram credentials. Your Instagram username will be ported over, and you can easily follow the same accounts. When creating a post, you can select who can view it, whether it's the world or just your followers. With its built-in connection to Instagram, Threads can gain users quickly. But it also faces competition from other Twitter challengers like Bluesky, Mastodon, and Hive. Threads is free to use and available for download on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Discover a new way to engage in real-time conversations with Threads by Meta.